Gotta make me love later. Do it when you love later.
What's up, my girls? It's your girl Daisha, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys how I do my DIY lash extensions. And y'all, this lash extension tutorial is super easy, it's super affordable, beginner friendly. So I'm gonna start with that. I spent under $20 getting my lashes and the glue. So it's literally under $20 to get these lashes right here. They typically last about 2 weeks. At the 2-week mark, it's kind of like you would need a refill if you got your lashes done professionally. Now, y'all, I will say I am not a professional because I don't have my license. So this is all self-taught, and this is the way I do my lashes. So I don't want nobody on here being like, oh, this is completely wrong, I told you in the beginning that your girl is unlicensed, and this is just my way of doing it. If you guys are balling on a budget and you want to save some money on your lashes, you know, we already got to get the nails done, hair done, everything else. So if you could save some money and still look glamorous, I'm gonna teach you how to do that right now. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, watch the entire video. I'm gonna break everything down for you guys, show you the products that I'm using. So yeah, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so I just go to my local beauty supply. I don't have to order these online or anything like that. I use the Velux brand, and I always get the cluster long. They have other sizes like medium, but I prefer the long because it looks nice and wispy. The glue I use is by Envy, and it is also waterproof, which is great. I put this sassy glue here just so y'all could see another alternative if you don't want something too permanent and you just kind of want to try this out. So you get your tweezers, your mirror. I have to have a mirror because it just helps me get those small, tight spots. I always save that plastic cover on the top of those lashes so I can put my glue on there and it's just easier for me. Yeah, I put way too much glue, but it's okay because we're going to use it all up. So when you guys grab your lash, make sure it's facing down because it's easier for you to scoop up the glue. You'll see how I have it face down, and I scoop the glue downwards and it gets right on the tip of the lash. I got a little bit too much glue on this lash, so I just dab it a little bit and then you're good to go. So this is where y'all's mirror comes in because you want to get as close as possible to your waterline, but not on it. So if you get on your waterline, you don't want to do that because it's going to irritate your eyes when you try to close your eyes. That was like my biggest mistake when I started doing my lashes myself. So just get right as close as possible to the waterline, but not on it, if that makes sense. And yeah, I just repeat this process the whole way through. If I have any spaces, I go back and I fill them in to get them as thick as you want them, as fluffy as you want them. It's super easy, guys. So that's basically all I do. Sometimes it takes me 30 minutes to get these lashes done. I've done this for so long, so I'm like really quick with it. That's how easy this is. I honestly haven't gotten my lashes done professionally probably in like 2 years. I don't even remember the last time I've gotten my lashes done, but it saves me money. I feel like they look professionally done. I feel like they look fluffy and full, so it works for me. And if this is something you want to try, go for it, girl. But yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below on the types of beauty tips that you guys want to see from me, or just any kind of video ideas that you guys want to see from me. Let me know. I do listen to you guys. I read your comments. Even if I get 4 answers or 3, I'm gonna do what I gotta do for my 3 people, okay? So yes, you guys, thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.